What if you had a personal assistant that never sleeps, never forgets, and actually gets things done for you? That's SureThing, your always-on AI worker. Because it connects to over 1,000 apps, SureThing doesn't just respond, it actually executes. It analyzes your data, generates business reports, schedules your social posts, monitors reviews, and even plugs directly into Slack, all without you lifting a finger. Instead of juggling a dozen tools, you talk to SureThing like you would a real person, and it takes care of the rest. Whether you're managing a busy inbox, setting up automated routines, or just need a faster way to get things done, SureThing has you covered. When you first open SureThing, you'll land in your workspace. Start by creating a project. Think of it as a dedicated hub for one area of your work or life. Next, add an agent. We recommend starting with the agent template. It's full of ready-made AI workers built for specific jobs. No setup from scratch. Just browse, pick one that fits, and follow the steps. Your agent is ready in seconds. Once it's set up, just tell it what you need, in plain language, like you'd give instructions to an employee. For example, publish a post on Twitter and Reddit for me, or every day, find trending AI news and send it to me at 9 a.m., or track all the data from my posts. SureThing gets to work immediately, posting to social media, setting up a routine, and handling everything in the background, automatically. And once a routine is set up, it keeps running 24/7, even when you haven't opened the app, even when your phone is off. You can view and manage all your routines right here. For reports and data dashboards, head to Pages. That's where all your insights live. And if your team is on Slack, you can connect SureThing directly. It runs as an AI bot in your workspace, so everyone on the team can use it. No separate setup needed. At SureThing, every user matters to us. We read every piece of feedback you send, and we're constantly building new features based on what our community asks for. You can reach us anytime through the feedback button right inside it. And here's the best part. Getting started is completely free. New users receive free AI credits the moment they sign up, and you can earn even more credits simply by logging in every day. So if you're tired of doing tedious works yourself, give SureThing a try. It's free to start, and it's already waiting to help you. Head to surething.io and see what it can do for you.